Hello everyone, TechAid TV here, and for today's video, we have this Epson EcoTank L121 Printer. And the problem of this unit is, panel lit indicators flashes upon turning on the unit. Upon checking the unit, we found out that the issue is caused by a broken CR timing belt problem. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace new CR timing belt for this Epson EcoTank L121 printer and resolve this error. And without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Please turn off your printer. Then, unplug the power cord and USB cable of your printer. Then, remove the screw of your printer top cover. Then, remove the ink tank rubber cap. Then, remove the screw of the ink tank cover. Then remove the ink tank cover. Then, remove the screw on the side of the ink tank system. Then you can now detach the ink tank of your printer. Then next, we need to remove the printer's top cover. Unscrew the pickup arm holder. Then, detach the pickup arm holder. Then we may now remove the broken CR timing belt. Attach the new CR timing belt for this Epson EcoTank L121 printer. Ensure to attach the timing belt to the Carriage timing belt holder. Then, attach the Carriage timing belt to the Carriage motor. Then reverse the procedure to reassemble the printer. Then we may now plug in the power cord and USB cable. Then press the power button. Then observe if the red blinking error appear. Then now, red blinking error is successfully resolved, and we may now load a paper on its paper tray. Then we will turn off the printer to perform nozzle check. Then to perform a nozzle check, press and hold the power and stop button for 5 seconds. Then automatically your printer will print the nozzle check pattern if all system is good and working. And that's the simple step-by-step procedure on how to replace broken CR timing belt for this Epson EcoTank L121 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.